Okay, so what was his name again? The guy with the bow ties, and he does a lot of rocket stuff, and he hates tomatoes. That dude posted a video today. Whatever his name is, I remember him totally. I didn't blink. This is all on purpose, and I'm just making a bit. Absolutely, that's what this is. This is still the same day. I was wondering about like him because he's got this impeller compressor that's just kind of a similar design. And I'm like, if you manage to do a fairly simplistic port injection where that intake is in the handle of a mixture of your air fuel and then burn it, and then like that will allow for that Bernoulli system to gain a little bit more heat and pressure. You're also having that other intake effect. But if you put the right vents on the inside of that tunnel that we were trying to have that occur, that Bernoulli's principle occur, then you end up having a greater degree of that effect also start to occur, as it will tend to try and create a greater effect, along with a change in that cylinder's size for that ultimate increase of effect. Kind of like a sort of hourglass almost for it to do that. But for me, it's like, oh, that's also a compressor / intake air fuel mixing area, where if you also happen to be able to feed in some fuel around that area as it intakes, and because it's got a degree of hot air that will also then be able to be forced into a smaller area, the fuel will also ignite. It's just needing to be done in the right kind of way. You have a nozzle, you gain a little bit of compression, you gain expansional properties, and then you can have your bell end. That will give you a increase in thrust characteristics. Hopefully. That's just something I wanted to talk about, because it's kind of a part of one of my designs that uses a similar effect. It's not ram air. It's a Bernoulli's air, I guess, effect. Whatever, doesn't matter. Point is, put the right channels. That way, the gas fuel that you're going to use expands inside these U channels. As it expands, it has a chance for the outward channels which are where those vents are, to expand into the air that's also moving. And so you're going to have like the right flame effectively be used as a faster moving set of air, which is a vacuum that will then draw it in towards the other air. And then as it is being forced through this smaller kind of area, it should do a little bit of mixing and ignition. And you should hopefully get some thrust. Hope it works out. Just wanted to help. Bye.